Okay, we're back for part 2 of talking about detoxing with animals. Sorry for the weird thing on the screen there, because for some reason my computer just keeps randomly dumping me off the internet now and then. So this is part 2 of the detox talk about detoxing your animals. We've just talked a little bit quickly about how all of our animals and ourselves are being very heavily affected by the fact that there are a lot of toxins being absorbed through our skin and our breathing in and through our food and through our water because of the pollution from our terrible lack of care for our environment, the fact that we're sort of poisoning our environment. So like I said, if you can use organic ingredients, that better. There's studies that have shown that eating an organic diet for just 1 week can cause pesticide levels to drop by almost 90% in adult human beings. The same would be true for your pets. If you can't afford organic, then please use organic grade ingredients and stick to crops that have fewer sprays used on them and are less likely to cause a problem. So there are 8 foods that are best to avoid for your pets and for you if you're not buying organic. Those are apples, strawberries, spinach, lettuce, nectarines, pears, peaches, capsicum, celery and tomatoes. These are all the ones that are more likely to have more toxic load in them. And veggies that are safer are avocado, sweet corn, pineapple, papaya, sweet peas, eggplants, asparagus, cauliflower, rock melon, broccoli, mushrooms, cabbage, honeydew and kiwi fruit. When it comes to protein sources that you're going to feed your pets, grass-fed or wild-caught meats are way, way cleaner and less likely to have a toxic load than feedlotted, intensively farmed meats, which are not so healthy. With fish, best to stay with small fish from lower down the food chain, as larger fish tend to concentrate significant amounts of heavy metals, especially mercury and possibly lead. Then we get to the other side of the equation, which is helping your animals clear toxins out of their system, because there's no way you can escape some level of toxins coming in. So it's also important to be proactive in detoxing using supplements, a clean diet, and especially clean water is very important in helping the body remove toxins. And the more vital you make your animal's health and well-being, the better their system is able to remove toxins. So you also want to minimize vaccinations, minimize parasite prevention chemicals, support the liver and kidneys as much as you can, which you can use herbs, homeopathy and supplements to help detox your pet's body. Now, that's a really complex issue, and I don't have time to dig into that today. But the Totally Awesome Pet Summits crew has a whole summit with 20 world-leading experts teaching you all about how to detox your pets. You can join for free, and you'll see the link to join that in the text that goes with this video. Okay, so I'll just quickly see if there's any questions from anyone who's there. I'll answer them. If there's not any questions, then start thinking about how you can detox your home to look after your pets. If you're still using insecticides and herbicides, if you've still got artificial fragrances of any kind in your home, you can make a very meaningful difference to your pet's well-being very quickly by cleaning them out and getting products that don't have artificial fragrances, and maybe just using traps and things rather than surface sprays if you do have insect problems. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. I'll see you back for the next one of these shows in a couple of weeks.